Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Welcome to our video tour of the beautiful cat house, designed with both style and functionality in mind. This cat house is a true masterpiece. With its multiple levels and platforms, cats will have plenty of space to play and explore. The large windows allow for plenty for natural light, and the material used are all pet friendly and easy to clean. This design is sleek and modern, blending in seamless with any home decor. The use of clean lines and natural color make it versatile addition to any room. Most importantly, this cat house provides a cozy and comfortable space for cats to relax and play. It's a great way to keep them entertained and mentally stimulated, which is so important for their well-being. If you're interested in getting one of your own furry friend, we have provided a link to the manufacturer in the video description below. It's a large with plenty of space for cats to play and lounge around in. There are multiple levels, each with different platforms and nooks for cats to explore. This cat house is only functional but also incredibly stylish. I love how it blends in seamlessly with the home decor. It's like a piece of art that also serves as a cozy and comfortable space for our feline friends. This will always you happy. The video continues and we see different angles of the cat house. It has a large window providing plenty and natural light, and the material used are all pet friendly and easy to clean. This cat house is very beautiful. Subscribe for more video. Thanks.